Here's how to make double fold pure vanilla extract.
I'm gonna try to make vanilla bean extract. I bought some vanilla beans. This is 4 ounces, and to make a double fold, it'll be 4 ounces for 16 ounces of an alcohol. I will be using coconut rum by Captain Morgan. There have been a lot of good reviews for this particular rum, and it has like a very nice flavor with these Madagascar beans. Okay, I'm gonna open this first, and then I'm gonna weigh them. Level. Perfect. It smells so good. Okay. I'm gonna tear this and then weigh out 4 ounces. Should be most of it. Just wanna make sure it's the right weight. Okay, it's just shy, but it's close enough for me. It's going to be a double fold anyway, so it's more than the regular. I'm gonna split them, and then I'm also gonna cut them this way into thirds. It smells so good. Okay, done with this. This is my first time cutting into beans, vanilla beans. Ooh, look at that. Just split all of them first, and then I will chop them up. If you're using a dark alcohol, including rum, they recommend to do a double fold and to extract for a little bit longer. Usually the extraction process takes about 6 months, but if you go longer, it only gets better. That's when more of the flavors are released. So they recommend at least a year and a half, sometimes even 2 years. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it extract for at least a year. I'm gonna taste it, and then I'm gonna do it again at 6 more months, and maybe around Christmas time of 2025, I'll have some extract ready, maybe to bake some goods, maybe to give some away. I know it's a long process, and vanilla beans are very expensive. I did get these at Vanilla Bean Kings. It was during one of their co-op sales. They look pretty good. I mean, I've never actually worked with real vanilla beans before. If you've never before, you need to try it one day. If you like vanilla, that is. It's just so aromatic. It's a different experience for sure. So it was at the co-op, at least for this round, it was $8 per ounce for grade A Madagascar vanilla beans. And I think the more you buy, so like if you bought like 16 ounces, I think that's when the price tier is actually a little bit cheaper. I think it was like $6.25 per ounce at that point, at that price point. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just experimenting right now. So yeah, I sanitized this bottle. It's an amber bottle I used. I think it came from a Trader Joe's like ginger beer or something. So I'm gonna use this. It has a great stopper cap. First, I'm gonna let this cool a bit. I put it in the dehydrator because there was some condensation inside when I was sanitizing it. So it's kind of hot right now. I don't want to burn anything. And while it's still cooling down, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bottle and measure out 16 fluid ounces. Yep. It's a really pretty cap. Okay, it's not super hot anymore. I think it's ready. 16 ounces is actually not that much. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's just a pint. It's all in. Can't really see, but the beans are in there. And then I'm gonna pour this in. This is the first cup. Let me measure another cup. You can use other alcohols as well. A lot of people recommend vodka because vodka is doesn't have too much flavor. I mean, other flavors. As long as it's within a certain proof range, I think it was 70 through 100. I have filled this up. I have room for another cup. But I did not purchase enough beans. What do I do? Maybe I'll have to purchase more beans just for this. I don't know. What do you think? It's good for now. I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna label it. Okay, so you're supposed to shake this every day and store in a dark place. At least this is amber glass, so it's already dark.
I cannot resist making another sticker. Follow for more gardening and homesteading content.